Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is part 2 on how to make a shooter game in Scratch 3. So in the last video we did player movement and bullet movement, and in this video we're going to code the zombie sprite, but first we're going to do a bit of animation with the player. So go to your player sprite, go to costumes, you'll see that there are 5 costumes, and each of them like these tire marks, I guess. They move, so it looks like the tank is moving. So go to core, go to looks, and get next costume and put it after every change X and change Y block. Now if we test this, press the green flag and we move, the tires also move, so that's nice. Now we want to make zombies spawn and come towards the player, so go to the zombie sprite, get a win flag flip, and hide, so it hides the original sprite because there will be clones. Go to control, forever, get a wait 1 second block, and create clone of myself. Now get when I start as clone, go to looks, show, go to motion and get a go to XY block, so it'll be go to X 240 and Y, go to operators and get a pick random block and put it in the Y position. It'll be pick random 180 to negative 180. So the zombies come from this end of the screen, from here and from here, and between. Go to control, get a forever loop, go to motion and get a point towards player, so it point towards the player sprite and move 1 step, and be sure to make the zombie size 130. Now if we test this, zombies should be spawning from this side of the screen, and they all point towards me and move towards the player sprite, which is good, but I can't shoot them. So what you want to do, go to the bullet sprite first, take out the touching edge, get an ore, put the touching edge in the ore, and get another touching block and make it touching zombie. So when the bullet touches the zombie, it stops. Now go to the zombie sprite. Okay, so yeah, go to the zombie sprite, get an if statement, if sensing, touching, bullet, wait about 0.1 seconds, and delete this clone. So if we see this, if we test this, whenever the bullet touches the zombie disappears, like it dies. But we want the zombies to have lives, or this would be way too easy, so we need to make a variable called lives. Make it for this sprite only, and when I start his clone, oh okay, I'll just rename this to zombie lives. Okay, so set zombie lives to 3, and in the if touching bullet, wait 0.1 seconds and change zombie lives by -1. And we can also do a brightness effect, so we know when we're hitting the zombie. So go to looks, get a set color effect to pick brightness, set color effect to 70, get a weight block and put weight 0.02 seconds and set brightness effect back to 0. So you can put this here after the wait 0.1 seconds, and let's try this. Oh okay, you want the zombie lives to okay, so you want to make an if statement around the delete this clone, and go to operators, get a less than, the variables, and get the zombie lives. If zombie lives is less than 1, then take out this 0.1 seconds and put it there. If zombie lives is less than 1, wait 0.1 seconds and delete this clone. So if we test this, 1, 2, 3, it dies. So I can kill zombies like this. But we want to make another variety of zombies which is stronger than this one, so duplicate this and name it strong. I'll just paint it orange, I'll paint it like orange, I guess. In the strong sprite, you want to set zombie lives to say 5, and it will move 0.7 steps, so it's slower than the normal zombie. And we can test this. Oh, and we also want to make this wait like 5 seconds so it doesn't spawn that frequently as the normal ones. So the normal ones are coming, there's strong. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Okay, wait. 1, 2. Wait, let me test this. Take out the normal zombie one. And only the strong should come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It dies. Okay. So you can put these back in the zombie sprite. And in the bullet sprite, you also want to make this stop when it's touching the strong. So get another ore. Put the touching edge or touching zombie in this ore in one side and get touching strong. So now before it went through strong, now it doesn't go through strong. And yeah, okay. So now we wanna make a health bar for the zombie. Like if we shoot it there, a health bar pops up so we know how much health it has. So go to the zombie go to the zombie sprite, go to costumes, duplicate this, make a rectangle with a green fill, and just put it over the zombie, I guess. Yeah, let's do. Yeah, that's fine. So this blank one will be full health. So this one we can make another rectangle, make it with red, just draw it inside the green one. Just make it on the bottom side so it's easier. So now duplicate the second one and make the red rectangle bigger. It has 3 lives, so 1, 2, 3 hits and it's dead. So now go to code, go to looks, get a next costume, and put it right here before the change zombie lives. And in the beginning when I started scrolling, switch costume to 1. So if we test this, when we shoot, it shows a health bar. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.